Hello and welcome to our booth. My name is Naheel Abdelall. I am the head of communication for Givaudan Taste and Wellbeing, South Asia, Middle East and Africa. It's our pleasure to have you on our booth this year. It's our 6th participation in Gulfood Manufacturing. We consider this platform as a strategic platform for us to showcase our innovations, our capabilities, co-creation capabilities, and how we are actually sparking a new era of food experiences. This year, the theme is very much aligned with Gulfood Manufacturing. We are we are putting fire under the spotlight, and we're bringing those fire notes in unexpected applications like culinary, sweet goods, snacks and beverages. The customers, when they come to our booth, they're going to go through a customer journey to showcase how our capabilities and how Givaudan go beyond great taste to create food experiences that does good, feel good for body, mind and planet. Another very interesting spotlight that we have this year is our immersive room, where we are showcasing our portable aroma diffuser Myromi. This is a Givaudan patent. It's a co-creation tool that helps us to accelerate innovations and co-creations with our customers and help us to help us to catch insights, instant consumer insights, and accelerate co-creation. So welcome on to our booth. Every year we try to elevate our food experiences and our co-creation with customers. Thank you very much.